This video explains how to fix your HP printer when the automatic document feeder does not pick up paper. Sometimes, running unused paper through the automatic document feeder, otherwise known as the ADF, will clean the residue from the rollers and separator pad. The rollers and the separator pad are parts in the ADF that pick up and feed the paper. Start this process by first loading 1 or 2 sheets of unused, plain white, full-size paper into the document feeder tray. On the control panel, press the right or left arrow button until the arrow on the display is above the black Copy option. Press the green button to start the copy. If the copy goes through successfully, you can attempt your original job again. If the copy does not complete, continue on to the next step. If your printer is still not feeding paper into the ADF, you may need to clean the rollers and separator pad. Before you begin, gather the following cleaning materials: a clean, lint-free cloth, clean water to dampen the cloth. Distilled or bottled water is preferable, but not required. Do not use alcohol or other chemical cleaners. Lift the cover of the ADF to access the rollers and separator pad. Lightly dampen the cloth with water and then squeeze off any excess liquid from the cloth. Use the damp cloth to wipe any residue off the rollers and the separator pad. Once the rollers and the separator pad are dry, close the cover of the ADF. Attempt your original job again. If your original job still does not complete, continue on to the next step. If you've tried everything described in this video and you still have a problem, your printer likely needs some type of service. Contact HP to find out what the support options are for your printer. Your options for service may vary depending on how long you've owned the printer and what country you live in.